Today we're checking out this USB-C cable. This is a 4-in-1 USB-C cable made by mFish. And it comes in this very nice hard shell that has a zipper which you open up to reveal the cable that's inside. And this is the gray color with the silver connectors. Now it is really nice with a silicone material that covers the entire cable, making it very flexible and very easy to untangle, if it even can untangle, which I don't think it can. As you can see, it's very easy to stretch out, and even more so to just curl it back up. Now this connector is a USB-A, which transforms into a USB-C connector. And the other side is a lightning connector that can also transform into a USB-C connector. And this is how you have the versatility of having a 4-in-1. So you can start with a lightning to USB-A cable. Then you can transform the USB-A to USB-C. So you have lightning to USB-C. You have USB-C to USB-A and USB-C to USB-C, and this one supports up to 240 watts of power. Now putting it away to travel is very easy. You just coil it back up, and again the silicone material makes it very easy to do so, and because it is also very flexible, putting it back in the case does not require many athletics, if at all. As you can see, it's quite easy to just tuck inside and then close the zipper and you're good to go. USB-C 4-in-1 cable by mFish.